All right, thank you, Rick. As we take a look at your Wednesday forecast, looks like we're looking at another round of storms. We got a nice little break today where we didn't really have much going on at all other than a couple of showers that popped up over on the eastern shore. But it's going to be another hot and humid day tomorrow, and then we're going to be looking at the possibility of some storms later tomorrow afternoon. We're not going to be looking at the same situation we had yesterday. The storms will be more widely scattered, and they're only really going to be restricted to a certain area, which we'll talk about in just a second. Temperatures across the metro right now into the low 80s here inside the Beltway. You see Dundalk right now at 81 degrees, up towards Rosedale at 80 degrees, 77 for Catonsville. You get a little bit outside there, though, mid-70s, pretty common down into Anne Arundel County as well as Howard, Carroll, and up into Harford County as well. And temperatures across the state primarily into the 70s. It's going to be a sticky night. Part of the reason for that, look at these dew points. You wonder why it feels so humid, so tropical. This is the number. And usually you don't see numbers this high, especially for this long, in our neck of the woods. Low 70s, yes, but not near 80 degrees. Dew point right now in Stevensville is 81 degrees. That is tropical air. And notice the muggy meter, it's not going down anytime soon through Thursday afternoon. So get used to it. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon near 90 degrees, but it will feel like around 100. On Thursday, it gets hotter. Low to mid 90s for highs. Heat index up to 105, even though the storm chances are going to be going down. So a little bit hotter coming up on Thursday, but storms for tomorrow. All as a result of this disturbance that you see right here moving through the Ohio Valley. Most of this is going to track north of our area, but the tail end of it is going to swing through tomorrow afternoon. And as a result of that, we do have a threat for some storms. Now, Futurecast trying to blow these storms up out to the west along the Blue Ridge coming up tomorrow afternoon, and they'll try to migrate their way eastward. The best chance of them staying severe is going to be west of I-95. And so the Storm Prediction Center has a level 1 of 5 marginal risk out towards the west. And also the Weather Prediction Center has upgraded the area to a level 2 slight risk for flash flooding in some of the same areas. So that's the area that we're going to be pinpointing here for tomorrow. You can see that threat there for some flash flooding, basically west of Baltimore, out I-70 towards Frederick and out into Montgomery County, Carroll County as well. 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. You remember these storms yesterday were dumping large amounts of rain in a short period of time. You easily picked up 2 to 3 inches within 45 minutes to an hour. The same thing could happen with some of the storms here for tomorrow, given how moist it is, and that's going to be really one of the bigger threats for tomorrow. Heat index will approach 100 degrees and mixture of cloud and sunshine with those storms coming in later in the day. And again, not everyone is going to see storms tomorrow. This is going to be more of a widely scattered event as opposed to that big line that came through yesterday. Now, as far as your Maryland cast for tomorrow, scattered storms at the beaches and across the rest of the state. Again, the best chances, again, west of 95, but everybody at least has a shot of seeing a storm or two. So we've got the alert day tomorrow. We're going to be watching later in the week. Now, the storm chances go down on Thursday, high of 94, and that's when the heat index is going to get up to 105 degrees. That's going to be the worst day of the week when you combine the heat and humidity. Storms, though, for Friday, we have an alert day possible there. We're going to track that possibility for more severe weather. The weekend actually looks decent. We're going to have lower storm chances Saturday, but then we'll have to watch Sunday where those chances pick up a little bit during the afternoon. Alex.
Derek, thank you. It's